We'll show you the project, interview questions, and all mostly on Saturday. In major cases, mostly the Saturday will be our last day of our course. Okay. Now, as usual, before I start, let me start with a simple story. We have only 3 days, 3 stories more. Now, once upon a time, there was a guy named John. What is the name? John. Correct. Now, John was kind of so much frustrated with his life. One day, John actually want to meet the God. So he tried so much. John tried all the possible ways in all the religions and finally meet the God. So now John is having a discussion with the God. So John said all the bad things happens to him. He's not happy with his life and all. So finally made an agreement with the God. So the God said it, for one day you can do anything you want. You will be like a God. Whatever you want, you will get it. But only one day. After one day, you will die. So the agreement is he wants to do anything he like. If he wants something, he will get it. But he will get it for only one day. Then John started to feel it like great deal. He came back and he started living it now. So immediately, obviously, what the John will think? John got it like a good building, a nice pool, cars, lavish life, people around him, whatever the other things he need, everything he got. Wherever John see, only the gold is there. Wherever the John see, only something beauty is there. Whatever the John wants, he is getting it. The moment he wants food, he is getting it. Interestingly, morning it was like a dream. Afternoon it's so good. But evening it's not feeling great. John didn't like it. He's having everything now, but John is not happy. He tried all the possible ways. He wants to try drugs. He wants to try alcohol. He want to try everything because he's God now. He can try anything. But by the evening, John is bored of his life. He's not getting hungry and he don't want to eat anything. But he's having the food. He's having so much money, but anyway, tomorrow he will die. He got there so many people, but what happiness it will bring it more than him. And same like every day, John felt so much unhappy and slept permanently. The story may be dark, but it is actually truth. Imagine you have it like one day to live. What are the things you will do? So many people think about the good food. So many people good think about good living. People think about good things. But actual thing is, what kind of legacy you will leave behind is important. A good doctor will leave so many patients' lives cured so that those patients will remember even after his death. A good engineer will build some kind of nice building so that it will always live. For example, tomorrow if Bill Gates die also, still people remember him because Windows is there. We are using the softwares and the systems that have the legacy. I want people to think about this. Every time in your life, when you are doing it something, remember you have only one day to live. How much good you do, how much fast you do, how much best you do. Try that way. The moment you think anyway tomorrow will be there, everything will collapse. Especially in team, when you join company, people expect you to be fast and productive. Initial junior, you are okay. After 2 3 years, your junior stage is over. When no one like you to be in your team if you are not productive person. People will judge you based on your productivity. And that comes with a thing like one day I have to complete. Do your best until that particular day. If you have a work, don't sleep. Work it completely. First work is first. Once everything is done, then sleep peacefully. कुछ नहीं होता. If your work is done, like for example, someone gave you work for 1 month, do it for 1 week. Hardly. Complete it. Remaining 3 weeks, just watch Netflix. No one will even care for it. That's what I do most of the times. I watch all the K dramas when my work is finished. I will finish it like 1 month work in 1 week only. Later, I will just do some kind of drama only. Work is going on until the 1 month. My point is that gives you a real kind of commitment and productive person. I want everyone to remember that. Is it clear, ma? Yeah. Let's start online. I hope it is good. Remember for KK for great songs. This John story is just like Hellbound drama. Whatever it is. Now let's start what we have discussed in the previous classes, sir. Very shitty. NMDB. Good. Where are we? Now, in the last class, I explained you something called aggregation framework or aggregation pipeline. It is nothing but multiple steps or stages. You call them pipelines or stages or steps. These stages are connected one to another such that first one will input, sorry, first one output will go as an input to the second stage. Second one output will become the input for the third stage, and so on. And if each every stage you will do different operations. For example, matching stage, you will do matching one, like you will do some filtration. When it comes to project stage, you will show only whatever the fields you want to show. You can also do addition, multiplication, rename, or delete, remove. Or when comes to the when comes to the sorting stage, you can sort the items. When comes to the counting stage, you can count the items. When comes to the skipping stage, you can skip the elements. When comes to the limit stage, you can limit the elements. These are the things we discussed yesterday, sir. We'll have a quick note and we'll do it like one kind of command one more time. We'll see, and then we'll move forward. Is it clear, my everyone? Online, is it clear? Till now, we have discussed introduction, CRUD operations, operators, and we are in this. Good, sir. Let's start. I think we wrote it already about match project. We didn't write about sort and all yesterday. Let's note it down, sir, everyone. Next one, sort, sort. It is used to sort out the documents based on a field in ascending is one, or descending -1 order. If I write it here, db dot aggregate dot, sorry, db dot products dot aggregate. I'm writing one stage like match category jewelry jewelry comma sort price one. Anyone guess here what it will do? Any guess here what is the answer? This one, how it will be the answer, sir? In ascending order of price from the jewelry items. Total 20 documents I will give as input. Sir, here 20 documents will come. This 20 documents match will return only jewelry items. We don't know exactly, maybe think it like some 5 items are jewelry. These 5 items are arranged based on price, increasing order, ascending order. This is the logic. This is what we discussed yesterday, sir. Sir, you can do the same thing in chaining function also. But chaining functions are not recommended when it comes to the MongoDB. Chaining functions can be done in the new versions of MongoDB, but originally people have the procedure of aggregation framework only. Okay. This is the best way, performance wise. Next. Next one. After sort, you can even do skip. It is used to sort out, sorry, to skip certain documents, certain documents from starting. Imagine if I write it here, same query, but here I will do first skip two. Any guess here what how many documents will go to match? Originally products have 20 documents. Products have 20 documents. But how many match will come? 18 only na? Why? Because you are removing you are removing the first two. Okay. So for skip is used for skipping those elements. Simple. It will come only 18. Or I can even do something called I can even do something called limit. It is used to to limit limit the number of documents. The number of documents. So how you will do same query I will do, but this time I will write it here braces limit limit 2. Finally, how many documents are coming in output? Finally, how many documents will come in output, sir? Two only. If more than two are there, two will come. If less than two are there, then it will not come. It will come one or something kind of one. But at least it like maximum two will come. That's it. Maximum two will come. Online any doubts? Can we write multiple query in match? You can write it. If you want to write multiple query, you need to put and. Here, category jewelry. And in that category jewelry, I wanted price to be greater than 20. Then you need to use and. First, inside the match, you have to use and. Inside that and, you have to put the two conditions. That's why we discussed operators first. Online, any questions you can tell me, ma? Limit 2 gives more than 2 also. No, limit 2 will never give more than 2. Maximum 2. Imagine before limit 2, only one element is there. Limit 2 getting only one input. Then it will give one output only. If it gets 5 input, 2 output. Maximum 2 it will give. Okay? It will never allow more than that. Simple. What if internal workflow? In internal workflow means like how? Same way, however you write it in the same order, it will go because pipeline will go in the same order. The reason we use pipelines are for order only. I gave it like 20 documents. First 20 documents will go to skip. Skip will remove two documents, na? Then 18 documents will go to match. Match will match only category jewelry. Maybe category jewelry are 6 items. Just imagine. I don't know exactly. Whatever the jewelry items are there, these jewelry items will go here. In this jewelry items, it will sort it out based on price. Imagine in this price, total 5 elements are there. Imagine. Then in that 5, it will print only first 2. So answer will be 2 documents. Your wish. Nico, there is no rule in this particular aggregate. Which one write first, which one write next? कुछ भी तुम्हारा इच्छा. First I will write skip. First I will write match. First I will write project. First I will write sort. First I will write limit. ये मेरा इच्छा है. But remember this, however you write, it will work in that way only. First one output only will go to second one output only will go to third one. Barabar logic. Any questions mind this? Online, any questions, sir? Sir, in aggregate, square brackets not needed. It is needed na, dekho. Completely all are in square brackets only. If you wanna write it nicely, you can write it in notes like this. So that each one separate, you will understand. So that you will understand each stage nicely. Basically, both are same. I'm writing it in new line, simple. If you understand this, this is what I explained yesterday also. Now I will go here, copy this, go to compass, connected, shell, use e-commerce, use e-commerce, write the query, and I got this answer. I got this answer, which is like 1, 2. How many documents I got answer, sir? 2 documents. If you see these 2 documents, price is in increasing order and both are of jewelry products only. Right? I can even put multiple things na. Dekho. Mara ichha hai. Now, anyone tell me if I do this way, if I do project, did you all remember project ma? You all remember project, sir? In project is like whatever you want, I will print it. I want price, I want category, I don't want id, I don't want id. By default id will come underscore id. Any doubt, sir? No. Two items aa gaya. How many items are coming? Two items, two documents are coming. You can even do these two documents count using this another one called dollar count. Count, you don't need to specify any field. Automatically it will count. Count field must be non-empty string. Huh? Dollar count. What is this? Oh, I have to give the count name. So count total products, total documents. कितने हैं total documents? Finally answer. This is my answer. I'm doing it count also. Dollar count. Here total six stages are there. How many stages are there? Six stages. But if anyone observe it clearly, first stage, how many documents I give input? 20 documents. So it will go to 1111 stage. Very simple logic. We need to discuss two more stages. Main importantly, three more stages. Grouping, most important one, grouping and lookup. How do you do joins in MongoDB is lookup. If you understand group, if you understand lookup, if you understand unset, major thing is over. There are so many stages, almost 30, 40 stages are there, but very rarely people use them. MongoDB having it like so many data structures like sets, maps, so many kind of data structures are there. Arrays, we don't use them much. That's it. Now let's start here, sir. Aggregations easy are easy always. Slowly when you do it, anything ma, always remember this. Anything if it is difficult today, it will be easy tomorrow. When I study fourth class, it is too much difficult to me. But when I join fifth class now, I feel it like fourth class is easy. When you come to intermediate, you feel 10th class is easy. When you come to engineering, intermediate is easy for you. Same thing. When I am explaining MySQL, you might feel difficult. When I go for MongoDB, you're like MySQL is better. Things will go on in that way. Just you have to keep on trying now. Anyway, let's try group. Now db dot products dot aggregate. Sir, I have products. In products, I have something called category. What I have ma? Category. Do I know how many categories are there? Don't know. But I want it like category wise. I want to divide the things like category books. How many are there? Or total price, how much? Or what is average price? Category electronics. What is average? Or category uh, jewelry. What is average? This is what you do in group by na. Sir, category male, what is their average salary? What is their sum? What is their, how many males are there? How many females are there? Those kind of things. Here you will use something called group. What you will use, ma? Group. Group is a stage. Same like how you have project, match, sort, limit, and all. You have group. When you are grouping, sir, major important thing in group based on which one you are grouping, based on which one you are giving group, sir. Like everyone see here. See the products. I will show you. Hmm, क्या हुआ? Go here. Products. Sir, everyone. Based on category, I want to group, sir. Based on which field I want to group? Category. What is the field name? Category. What is the field name, sir? Category. Very good. Remember this. So now I will give this category. Now, here, based on which one you are grouping, you should write it here underscore ID. What does it mean by underscore ID is the unique value. Underscore ID is the unique value. Till now, underscore ID automatically getting na. You never created underscore ID. But now I want to give category as the underscore ID. Why? Because from now onwards, category is unique. When you are grouping, देखो, like I have it in class, so many males, so many females. First one, male, okay, idhar aa jao. Next one, female, udhar jao. Next one, female. Then female means again they should go to same group na. Already for female one group created. In that group only she should go na. If another male come, he should also join this another male group na. So only how many groups are there now? Two groups only na. Maybe students are 1 lakh, but groups are two only na. Same way, maybe products are unlimited. I don't know, but categories are limited. This categories I want to give as unique value. Every category is like a unique value. If you want to give it like that, you need to write it as underscore ID. This is group syntax. Group syntax is you need to write it here. Here, field name. Which field name you want to write, you will write. Sir, every time remember, if you are writing any field name in value, you will put dollar. In key, you don't need to put. For example, sir, I'm writing price. Price, where are you writing? Key, if you are writing price only. If you are writing in value, dollar price. Yesterday we have seen it. If I'm writing left side, key बोले तो left side of semicolon. Value बोले तो right side. If you are writing it here, it is price. But if you are writing it this side, it will be dollar price. Is it clear, ma? Now, sir, based on which field I wanted to do it, sir? Based on category. Category. Okay. You are grouping based on category. Now, if I do it here, how many products are coming? How many categories are there? Dekho. How many categories are there? Electronics, men's clothing, jewelry, women's clothing. Dekho, they are coming with the name underscore ID. Always which one you are dividing, based on which one you are dividing, based on which field you are dividing, that field name you should write it as underscore ID in the group. That field name you should write it as underscore ID in the group. Koi question hai ma? No. But sir, how many males are there? Sorry, how many electronics are there? How many men's clothing are there? How many jewelry are there? Or how many women's clothing are there? I don't know count. What is the total price of electronics? What is the average price of electronics? What is the minimum in electronics? What is the maximum in electronics? If you want to write it the sum, average, min, max count, then you need to use group. In group, we have it like some functions. Those are accumulator functions. Let's have it here. First one is underscore ID category. Till now, anyone have any questions, ma? Online till now, is it clear? One more time, why you are using underscore ID? Very simple, I will tell you. देखो, मेरा पास बहुत documents है. Each one is having one name, category name. देखो, this is category A, category B, category A, category B, category C. Anyone tell me how many categories are there? How many categories are there? Three categories are there. Total how many documents are there? How do you know only three categories are there? Count. You know how did you count? I will tell you how you count. How your mind it is. First, A category अच्छा है. B category वो भी अच्छा है. A category will you count it again? क्योंकि ये फिर ये already is there here, right? You don't count it again ना. This one you don't count it because your mind already counted it. This one is new. So only three are there. This is how your mind will do it very fastly. But for systems, now what is the unique value? The unique value is the category. Unique value is the category. If it is repeating, also you are not counting because only one time you will count. That is why you have to keep that category as underscore ID. In syntax, this is MongoDB syntax. You have to take that unique value as the underscore ID. Is it clear? MongoDB, how it will create? Like this only. Same how your mind works, MongoDB also. Electronics, अच्छा है category. फिर electronics, same category छोड़ दो. फिर electronics छोड़ दो. फिर electronics छोड़ दो. Jewelry, और एक category. फिर jewelry छोड़ दो. Then men's clothing, और एक category. ऐसा करता मैं MongoDB. So that's why that unique value you will take it as underscore ID. Is it clear, ma now? Online, are you getting my point, ma? If you think it is not too much difficult. Now, okay, sir. In this group only, I want to print products, total products. Total products means total how many products are there I have to find, na? Total how many products are there I have to find, na, sir? If I wanted to find total products, sir, then I will write it here, count. What I will write, ma? Total how many are there in the count? Can you see here how many are there? How many women's clothing are there? How many jewelry are there? How many men's clothing are there? How many electronics are there? Total actually 20 will come. So first one is ID based on which one you are grouping. Based on which one you are grouping. Second one is name. You can put any name, syntax, any name. Here, some kind of accumulator. These are called accumulators. You have it like different accumulators. Dollar count, dollar sum, dollar average, dollar min, dollar sum, average, min, max count. Are you getting my point, ma? So, sir, what if, sir, total how many, like, what is the total price? I want to find a total price. Do it same thing. Now, you guys tell me, comma, guys, comma, tell me, total sum, colon, total sum, colon. Here, what is the accumulator name? Sum. What is the accumulator name? Sum. I will write sum based on which one you are summing. I want to add price, total price. See how I'm doing it. Name, here the accumulator name, here which one you are doing. For count, you don't need to give anything. But for sum, which one you are summing? I am summing all. Like, sir, count total salaries in sales department, total salaries in HR department, total salaries in sorry, any another department. Simple. Now that kind of thing you will use sum. If I put instead of sum AVG, anyone guess what will come? Average. If I put min, if I put max, simple na? Let's note it down all and then we'll have the notes for this. Very, very, very simple. I will do it like average. I will write this query also. Don't worry. I will write it this query one more time. Comma, average price. Again here, AVG. Which one you are doing average based on price? Again, minimum price, dollar min, which is price, and next one, max price, dollar max price. हो गया हाँ करेक्ट ओनली ना oh, oh. The pipeline stage specification must contain exactly only one field. Somewhere error with braces. Braces, curly braces, somewhere curly braces. One more curly braces, पक्का. देखो इधर सम शुरू हो गया. ये क्या है? This one is over. Okay, we'll do one thing. Nicely, we'll write it in notes and then we'll copy paste it. That would be better. Go here. Let's note it down. Please have a note, sir. Dollar group. It is used. It is used to. It is used to group the documents. Online, if anyone not understand, you can see it now. You will understand. It is used to group the documents such that we can find their averages, sum, count, etc. What is the syntax? I will give you syntax also this time. db dot collection name dot aggregate arrow here group in group you should write it here underscore id. This is syntax. By syntax only you have to write underscore id dollar grouping field name. Which field name you are giving it to group? Whatever the grouping field name you have to write. I will write it in new line so that you will not get confused. Actually, I will get confused here now. Comma. Now, new field name, new field name, dollar, dollar, accumulator name, here, quotation, dollar, accumulator, field name, field name, open brace, close brace, close brace, close brace, correct. Now, all close braces are correct. In MongoDB starting class only I told, only problem here you will face are with the braces. Here we have accumulators, accumulators like dollar sum, dollar min, dollar max, dollar average, dollar count, dollar push. You have it like an array push also. You can push them into one array. Online, any doubts you can tell me, sir. Underscore ID is compulsory, sir. That is a syntax, sir. For example, for example, write a group aggregate, write a group aggregate to divide students based on their gender, gender, and display their average salary. Sorry, average. Sorry, students na average marks based on gender. Sir, what is the average marks for males? What is the average marks in females? I wanted that. So how many genders are here? Only two genders, male and female in students. Now, male one I will give it like one average mark, female one I will same syntax I will follow. I don't have any student collections actually, but I can imagine that. Now let's see the exact syntax and write it, sir. BB dot. Imagine collection name is students. What is the collection name? Students. So I'm writing students dot aggregate. Now, what is the first one I have to write, sir, here? Curly braces. In this curly braces, dollar group. Which one you are grouping? Everyone see in the group, I have to give. What is the first one I have to give here? Underscore ID. Underscore ID. Sir, based on which field you are dividing, sir? Deco, based on which field you are dividing? Gender na? So dollar gender. So gender male, gender female, like that two categories will be divided. In this, in this, what is the accumulator they are using it? What is the accumulator we are using it now? Average. So you have to put any field name, new field name, तुम्हारा इच्छा, like average marks, any name you can give is nothing but braces. देखो, dollar accumulator name, dollar average. Which one you are doing average? Marks का, marks का average कर रहा है. Based on gender divide कर रहे हैं. Marks को average कर रहे हैं. देखो accumulator field name. That is the exact syntax, sir. I hope now online people understand. Any doubts here? Can you print? Can you print total how many males are there? Total how many females are there? How do you print total males and total females, sir? Count. What do you have to print? Count. Then I have to write it here, comma. Total, you can write it in next line also. Total students. Here you have to write dollar count. Sir, for count, you are not counting based on any column. So you will give empty braces, it will count automatically. It is counting. Or, sir, I want to find sum of the salaries. How do you find sum of the salaries, sir? Sorry. Sum of the marks, sir. How do you find total marks in males and total marks in females? Then you will use sum. Total marks. It's nothing but dollar sum. Dollar marks. What is the highest salary? Array. What is the highest marks? Brain is not working. So what is the highest mark in students? How do you get highest marks in student ma? Max. Very good. Same syntax. Highest highest score. Highest score. Dollar max. Which field highest score? Which field name you are checking? Marks ka. Simple syntax. Not a big deal. Same thing you can do min also. You can do push also. Push will give you new array. In that each one name it will push or something kind of one. Hmm. Any doubt, sir? Are everyone clear? Then if I give it a question, you can try ma. Now let's try it, sir. I will give you a small question. Now write a group aggregate to divide products based on category and display their average price, max price, min price, count. Simple. Four things only. Not even some needed, but these things. Barabar. You can try it now. Online any doubts also you can try. Second line, count explain. Count will give it like count total, it will count. For average, you are doing marks ka average. For sum, you are doing marks ka sum. But for count, you are not doing it count for anything. Count is like total document you are counting as an one. So for that, you can give empty braces. It will take it like, okay, I am just counting. I'm not counting only one document. Why? Because if I give it here marks, imagine one product is not having marks, then that guy will not get counted only. There is no rule now. Everyone should have marks or something kind of one. So that is why in MongoDB we will give it like empty thing like this. Count can be separate also. I think earlier I showed you count can be separate stage also. There is a separate stage for count. Separate stage is there for some, separate stages for average, separate stages for max. But we don't use directly like that, because if I say max as separate stage, then it will find maximum in all products. I don't want maximum in all products. हर each category को अलग अलग चाहिए. Then I will use it in group. Online people, please try this ma. Copy. See my answer in students and then you try it in products. Now, let me do it, sir. Here, products, grouping bit based on category, average price, price, total products, count, total, no need of total price. I think I asked you highest price and lowest price, na? I told you to find max price, dollar price. See, MongoDB is like programming only. It is very easy if you know it like any one programming language. Min dollar price बराबर हो गया. Which one I count, sir? That's why you cannot count any one, na? Sir, can I count marks? No. Can I count price? No. You cannot count anything. That's why you should write it here empty. Then it will count whole document. Okay. Is it clear, ma, online? Anyone have any questions, sir? No. Yesterday? Huh. Price and tax, you don't add it in that particular one. If you want to add it, again, you have to create another stage. In that stage, you have to add. Because why it did not work is, it will work on only inputs. Na? Price and tax are tax you calculated in that stage only. Okay. So it cannot do sum. It will do sum only based on previous stage. In this stage only, you are finding tax. In this stage only, you cannot add. Next stage, you have to put. I will show you now. Online, anyone have any question, ma? No. Let's start, sir. Next one. Let's discuss more. Look up now. I will tell you last. Don't worry. Now, next one, seventh one. Look up. I want everyone to concentrate this one thing. In interview, people will ask you questions based on lookup, group, project, match. Four things. Group lookup is used as a substitute of join. Look up, it up, look up. It is used, it is used, it is used to combine multiple collections. Combine multiple collections. Normally, normally, when collections are created, collections are created with data, they are modeled, they are modeled in two ways. So basically, in collections, data is nothing but documents. Na? Documents will be in two ways. Some documents are called embedded documents, embedded documenting, embedded modeling, or something called they call embedded documents. What are mean by embedded documents? For example, let me give you one document, sir. Underscore ID, some kind of object ID. Now, comma, name Raj, 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 department. Again, department have one underscore ID. Underscore ID are created by the MongoDB only. Name, sales. Now, everyone see here, what is the department name of Raj? What is the department name of Raj? Right now? But sir, if you are doing in MySQL, same thing. Will you do this way? You will put two separate tables. You will put two separate tables. One is like the Raj details table, employees table. Another one is departments table. इन दोनों को एक connection रहता है, इधर foreign key, primary key, ऐसा एक connection रहता है. Relation they will be. Here, without any relation, here, without any relation, you can put both documents inside one document only. This kind of writing documents, this is possible. This kind of writing documents is called embedded document. What is it called? Embedded document. Also called nested documents, people call it. Or sir, instead of this, there is another way. Connected documents. Like you have it like two collections. One collection you are having it like in collection one, I am having it like something underscore ID, just some kind of random one. Name Raj, debt ID 22, and I have in another collection in EMP collection. This is in EMP collection. This is in departments collection. Underscore ID 22, name sales. Anyone tell me now, what is the department name of Raj? What is the department name of Raj? Now also you did same thing only na. But here you put them in two separate collections, same like how you put it in two separate tables in MongoDB. Here you put them in two separate collections. But sir, if you are doing in MongoDB there are rules: primary key, foreign key. There is sir nahi hai. That is first rule. Second thing, there is no logic. Like, sir, EMP is having department ID 22. What if 22 is not there? Kuch nahi hota. We don't know. If 22 is not there in departments, nahi hai. Simple. But if it is there, in MySQL, you will combine them using join. You will combine them using join. Can I do it to join? Same like join. Can I combine these two collections? How do you get this uh, this collection and this collection combined? But combine one, if you do collection, it will become embedded document only. And how do you do that? Is look, what is it called? Lookup. Lookup is used to combine this kind of connected documents. Two collections are there. In these two collections, documents are having some kind of connection. This one you will use it something lookup. Basically, lookup is used to combine two collections, not to join two documents. Don't confuse. Not two documents, two collections combine कर लिए. In this collections, documents are having similar names. What is the syntax? Syntax. If you understand syntax, you will understand everything. Just note it down, this syntax. In interview, people will ask you. Dollar lookup from foreign collection, foreign collection, local field, current current collection field, local name, foreign field, foreign field, foreign collection field name as output field name, output field name, output field name. It always, it always performs left join. Sir, there is no point of right join or full join or inner join. ऐसा नहीं है, खाली left join करता. Simple. Done ma? Online done. Now, if I go here, if I go here, go to this compass, I will go here products. See, I'm going to create one more field. Everyone see one more collection. I'm creating one more collection. Collection name orders. What is the collection name? Any data is there? Orders? नहीं, orders के अंदर कोई data नहीं है. Now I will give orders. In orders, in a document, I can do it like query also. I'm not doing it. I am doing it query inside this. Your wish. How many documents you want to insert? I will insert some 2-3 documents. I will write it here. Product ID. Product ID 1. What is the product ID? There is one ID thing separately there. If ID thing is not there, I will use underscore ID, that particular one. But here it is there. Name. How many orders are coming? Like kind of quantity. Imagine some kind of 5 people order this. 5 people order this. Very simple. Comma. 2 people. Second product, three orders came. Third product, 10 orders came. Sir, now first product 5 orders, second product 3 orders, third product 10 orders. I created this. But sir, here what is their only product ID na? Right or not? देखो products table के अंदर products are there. Anyone tell me how many quantity came for this product? How do you know that 5? Because here ID is 1. Their product ID is also 1. Here ID you are matching with product ID there na? Are you getting my point, sir? Here ID you are matching with their product ID. Any questions in this? How do you perform this logic? Very simple. You see the syntax. You follow the syntax. First one, db dot collection name I have to write. What is a collection name? Products. I'm doing it on products. Products dot aggregate. Products dot. Now, tell me your syntax, sir. What is the first one I have to write, sir? See the syntax, man. What is the first one I have to write? Lookup dollar open braces. Now, Bolo, what is the first thing I have to write? From, very good. From where you are starting. Okay, I will write it here. db dot products dot aggregate braces. First one, dollar braces, dollar lookup. Here, from, sir, which collection you are working on currently? Because, sir, everyone, which collection I am there? Which collection I want to join? That orders is called foreign. This products is called local. I am working on products ना, तो products को बोलते हैं local. Products को बोलते हैं local. And I am combining orders ना, orders is called foreign. Orders is called foreign. Now anyone tell me what is the foreign collection name? Correct. What is the second one I have to write? Local field. See there. What is the second one you have to write? What is the field name in local collection? Local collection का field name क्या है? ID. ID. No, you don't need to write a dollar ID here. Why? Because just a field name चाहिए. Dynamic नहीं है. Now, comma. In foreign collection, foreign field. In that foreign collection, what is the name? Sir, you remember, sir? Here ID. इधर एक ID है. अच्छा है, ID 1. But here what is that? There may be same, may not be same. There is no rule. So here name is product ID. Sir, हो गया. It will combine this ID, this product ID. But answer तुमको चाहिए ना? वो answer, what is the name of your answer? As you can put any name you like. I am like depart. Sorry, orders. Something I'm giving some kind of name. Your wish. Is it clear, sir? Now, sir, if I perform this, what will happen? Copy karo. Online, any questions here? This one is highly easy when compared to MySQL logic. Go here. Go here. CLS. Copy. Paste. Huh? Orders? That last S is there, na? That can be anything. मेरा नाम like output I can put anything. I can put output name Prasad also. कुछ नहीं होता. Okay. I can put कुछ भी. I will show you what is that will be. Now if I do it here, answer. Can you see here? Answer. Total how many documents came? 20 documents. But can you see here on this 20 documents? Can you see first document? Sir, first document. Can you see one more field is added? What is that one more field? Prasad details. You can put any name. In this Prasad details, what is there? See, underscore. That whole document. Dekho, MySQL, MongoDB will not tell you exactly, sir, I want name, I want this. Nahi, aisa nahi. What the MongoDB will do, will combine these documents directly. उधर एक document पूरा लेके इधर add करता. Take it YouTube. In YouTube, sir, you have comments, na? You all know YouTube comments, na? How they will work, I will tell you. Every YouTube video will have a ID. Every YouTube video will have a ID. Every comment will have a comment ID and video ID. This video ID in video table, this comment table video ID, they both will match. Automatically, all that comments will be combined to that video only. Imagine if anyone combining comment to comment. That means someone can comment the comment also. At that time, that comment will be connected to another comment ID. That's why only that particular comment will come to the well. Exact MongoDB will do that only. MongoDB lookup will work there. I want it a particular pura comment attached to the video. I don't want it video separately. Then again comment separately. ऐसा नहीं. दोनों combine करो. That is what the MongoDB will do. Directly bring that there. What if, sir, one thing is not having? देखो, for example, product number 4. Is it having any order, sir? उसको product process details empty है. Comment नहीं है उसमें. Simple. No comments are there. Is it clear, ma? Just see this query how it is working. Combines is based on only on foreign fields. Correct, sir. Foreign field, local field combines. Correct, sir. Foreign field, multiple field is there. At that time, we can give it like any field name. You can give any field name. Same name, local name also you have to give. Okay. If two, three combining things are there, you can use that also. This, what is the advantage of this? In MySQL, it will be too much difficult if you want to do it. Have you ever seen platform like Reddit? Anyone knows platform Reddit? Good. In Reddit, what will happen? One person comment on one particular thing, that person comment on another thing. Again, that comment will attach to another comment. That comment will attach to another comment. Comment, next comments will happen. If I want to put that in MySQL ना, वो बहुत difficult होता. MongoDB easy. हर each comment को एक ID रहता. तो either comments table, again having an another comments table, the both will combine. Simple. It's like the self join with the things. Any questions here? No. I want people to try these things. Please show the output. This is the output, sir. Can you see here output, sir? ID, and here Prasad details are adding. What if, sir? See, here there is no rule like primary key, foreign key. ऐसा rule नहीं है. What if this product ID is having it like two types of orders? Product ID quantity 5. Next time product ID quantity 10. Two orders can possible, na? In that time, that's why it will create always array. What it will create, ma? Array. If I go here, if I add one more document, product ID, I am adding one more thing, product ID 1, and this time quantity is 15. So product ID is having it like now two things. Now if I do it here, the query, now if I go here, product ID 1, product ID 1. Can you see product ID 1 is having how many now? Two comments, simple, two orders. Is it clear, ma? Online, any doubts? It is showing all the details of foreign collection. It will show all the details, correct? Sir, if I wanted specific, put it in a pipeline of project. Put it project. It is showing all because I didn't put any project. After this, if you put project, it will work. People will do multiple things. They will do group, they will do project. Now, till now, anyone have any questions, sir? No. Last one. Let's have a note. Did I give example? Sorry. Please note down example. Write a lookup to combine products and orders collections based on based on based on id from from products and and product id from orders. Ready, good. db dot products dot lookup lookup sorry aggregate. Now here in this aggregate lookup stage, in this lookup stage, I will give it here from what is the foreign collection name? Orders. And in this local collection, local field, my local field is ID and my foreign field is product ID. In question, it is mentioned product ID. And how do you want it your output? I will give it, you can give any name actually. I give it here order details. Order details. Simple. If you do it here, you will get, this is only one stage. Okay, it's not like the complete query. I will, sir, before this I will put match, after this I will put skip, after that I will do sort, then I will do project, then I will do group. I can do any kind of things. The power of aggregation framework is any stage can come before any stage, so you will get it a lot of possibilities. Any questions are there, ma? No. Last one. Anyone have any questions till now? No? Let's go here, sir. The next one, last one. Oh, sorry, two times I wrote. I thought I didn't write. Sorry. Once again, foreign plate explained. Arey, there is no confusion, dear. Dekho. Which collection you are here? Sir, everyone, which collection you are? Products के अंदर field name local field बोलते हैं. Which collection you are combining? तो order के अंदर क्या है name वो foreign field बोलते हैं. Simple. किधर है हम? प्रोडक्ट्स के अंदर है तो प्रोडक्ट्स को लोकल बोलता. विच वन यू आर कंबाइनिंग? ऑर्डर. सो ऑर्डर को फॉरेन बोलता. सिंपल. Whatever the name is there in the orders, foreign field. Whatever the name in the products, local field. No confusion. You do it one query, your mind is set. But it will perform only left join. If you see, left side all are coming, right side only combination are coming, because it is a left join. There is no inner join, outer join, or something kind of other things are there. Now, next, last but not least, unset. Unset. It is used. It is used to split the array values and make multiple documents with each array value. This is very easy only, but it is very powerful also. Syntax is, you will write it here, unset. It's like unset is like an ungroup kind of one. It will divide. It's not combining as a group, it is dividing from the group. Unset, you have to write dollar field name. You have to write it one field name. Simple. The field name must be the field name must be array. Array only it will work. Huh? Array unset means that update wala na? Just a minute. I think I forgot the name. That is not unset then. Just a minute. What is the name of the stage? Dollar. No, this is not unset, I think. What is the name? Array? Name of stage in MongoDB to separate array values. This is not unset. This is something unwind. Sorry, sir, everyone. Everyone, unset is used in the uh, update. Unset is used to remove the particular field in update. This is unwind, sir. Unwind. Unwind. That is what someone commented in online. Then I remember. Name galat ho gaya. This is unwind. Logic is same. But good, we didn't write the query. That would be a problem. Now, unwind is very simple logic. For example, if I have it something like, if I have a simple collection, let's take one collection like faculty. In faculty collection, I am having it some kind of documents. Let's see here. I have here name, Raj, subjects, array. In the subjects, what subjects he is teaching? Maths, physics, computers. Now another one, name, Prasad, next subjects, Python, React, JS. Now, where I did mistake. Huh? Why insert is not working? What the hell? What is the point here? Huh? क्या हुआ रे? Tomorrow ना? अरे छा. Sometimes this compass is also crazy. Python JS. Now everyone see this. I inserted here two documents. Everyone see. How many documents are there? Two documents, huh? Now Raj is teaching it here three things: maths, physics, and computers with the zero index, one index, two index. The same way the Prasad is teaching something wrong name, but whatever it is teaching it like two names. Now unwind what it will do, unwind will separate it based on array value. In subjects array, three things are there. Na? Raj is teaching it like chemistry, Raj is teaching it like physics, Raj is teaching maths. Unwind what it will do, it will create it like three documents: Raj subject physics, Raj subject maths, Raj subject chemistry. Same Prasad subject Python, Prasad subject JS. Like for each and every value of the array, it will create a new document instance. It will separate based on the array values. That is called unwind. What is it called, ma? Unwind. I can even do that. You can see CLS db dot collection name is faculty dot aggregate inside this dollar unwind. Based on which column you are unwinding? Unwinding based on column called subjects. Now, can you see here, guys? Can you see here what is the answer? Raj, maths. Raj, physics. Raj, computers. Do I have three Raj? No, only one Raj. Instead of writing it array value, I wanted to separate array value sometimes. I wanted to show each value separately. Then I want to use something called unwind. In real time, people use it unwind so much to show all the products, to show all the categories, to show all the students with different kind of marks and all. People will do this unwind. So what the unwind will do, originally I have one array. In that array, maths, physics, chemistry, only one thing is there. So each value, it will give separate document now. Is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Very simple. With the same ID, it won't create the document. It will just split the document. Simple. It won't create. You have same IDs actually. Dekho. Just for showing purpose. Like imagine you give data like this to backend. Na? Backend people will give it to front end. Front end people will show nicely. Ah, Raj, maths, Raj, physics, Raj, computers. I want to show like that separately. For that it is giving. Three Rajs are not there. Only one Raj. Any question, ma? Anyone have any questions? No. Again, revise it once. This particular things, ma, aggregation framework. Tomorrow, very, very important. Don't skip it. Indexes, replication, sharding, major things and all will complete tomorrow only. Majority of the times, tomorrow MongoDB will be done. Day after tomorrow, we'll do it like revision and project. That's it for today. Thank you all. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye bye. ऑनलाइन कोई क्वेश्चन है तो बोलो माँ. One question. It splits each array value in documents. Thank you, sir. Correct. Which Oracle version we should download? Why Oracle versions? This is not Oracle class. I will update the notes. Sir, next batch when? Why? I don't know. Maybe some 2 3 months. Please move your cursor. In lookup, what about product IDs 2 3 4? That also will come. React JS will you teach? I will. डॉलर पुश भी है. ग्रुप के अंदर डॉलर पुश है. तो क्या करना है? डॉलर पुश तुम एक वैल्यू दे दिए तो डॉलर टाइटल. तो आई एम डिवाइडिंग पीपल बेस्ड ऑन मेल. देन फर्स्ट वन मेल आ गया उसका टाइटल. सेकंड वन मेल आ गया उसका टाइटल. थर्ड वन मेल आ गया उसका टाइटल. ऑल दिस टाइटल्स विल बी इन वन एरे. हाँ एक एरे क्या ऐसा पुश करता. इट विल डायरेक्टली यू पुट पुश. कुछ नहीं होता. सिंपल. इट्स नॉट अ न्यू वन.